Update video number 3. I think I've just proven what I suspected the issue was in the previous video. I installed two of the brushes I had taken out. I installed them loose so I could get to the brush shroud and connect it to my power supply. This is supposed to go to 20 volts, 24 volts or so. So I'm going to be using this, and it can handle 10 amps. I'm using a couple old voltmeter probes so I can get in here. I'm going to try and do this as best I can with the camera. With one hand, and I gotta make the connections. Okay, that's one connection. I'm gonna make the other connection manually. But when I do this, the motor turns. It doesn't sound too bad. I don't really hear a bearing noise. And I have the two top brushes set up. These two top brushes are positive and negative. Same thing on the bottom, but they'd be flipped. This tells me that there's some issue with one of these lead wires and something in here with the connections. So it looks like the motor is good. It just probably needs some PLC inside of it here. I don't know when I'll get to that, but I think I have found the issue. It looks like it's going to probably need to mean a motor autopsy. I'm hoping I can probably just pull this brushes out. The brushes come out easy. Probably just separate it down here, leave this part intact. Check the connections. Maybe there's a bad solder and maybe needs a new thermal fuse or something. And then I'll make another video probably when I do that.